Welcome to Tableau solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will create bar in bar charts. So bar in bar chart are used to compare two value in bar chart format. They are usually comparing two measure against one another. So bar in bar chart are useful for showing data that is under or over performance, comparing the performance of one measures against the other or against a specific goal. So let us suppose we have a business scenario. You have a sales data for office product to compare sales from 2022 and 2023 for each product category and subcategory. We need to create here bar in bar chart. So in this chart, we show 2020 sales data as a smaller bar on top of larger bar for 2023. To see this business scenario, directly go to here Tableau to create bar in bar chart. For this demonstration, I am using here sample superstore dataset which already saved in Tableau while installing Tableau, or you can easily find this dataset in Google in Kaggle website. Let's select this sample superstore dataset. Before going forward, I request the viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So right here bar in bar chart, I am directly go to here sheet 1 because this data already clean. Okay. First, we need to create here sales for 2020 and 2023. So click here drop down and create calculated field. Right here 2022 sales. If year of order date equal to 2022, then we want here sales, and if create another calculated field 2023 sales. If year, use here order date equal to 2023 sales, then we want here sales, otherwise, and if so two sales created for 2022 and 2023 sales. To create a bar in bar chart, first we need to create side by side bar chart. So drag this 2022 sales to column. Now drag category and subcategory to row. Here this is the category, this is the subcategory, and this is the sales for 2023. Now first create side by side bar chart. Now drag this 2023 sales to this axis. So control and drag and drop this when two green bar chart bar icon appear. Okay, now drop. It's create side by side bar chart, and you can also see here measure names and measure names in filter, and there is here measure value. So now drag this measure name to color mark. Okay, this way you can see here is the 2022 sales, and here is 2023 sales. This bar chart stack. We want to this bar chart starting from 0 axis. So go to here analysis menu and stack mark and click here off to stack and starting from axis 0. Okay, go to here standard and select here entire view. Now we want to resize to show 2020 sales and 2023 sales. So select this measure name and press Ctrl and hold it and drag to size mark. It's copy from color to size, and you can see here easily show 2023 sales, and here is 2020. This is under the 2020 sales, and here is 2023 sales. So in this way you can create here bar in bar chart. Okay, let's format some format and click here and select here currency United States. Okay, and go to here standard and display unit you can select here 1000. Okay, decimal place you can select here 0. So in this way you can show here the formatted chart. So in this way you can create here bar in bar chart. So congratulations, now you know how to create bar in bar chart that compare two measure to one another by side or side bar in bar. Next topic is we learn about bullet graph in next video. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe the channel. If you find this video helpful, please like this video also. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.